Okay, I just took my disc out of my Dell 2400. I'm using a crappy camera, I know. This top CD drive is making a weird noise. So, here's the story. I put my Belkin CD in to install the drivers for my Dell, for the wireless card, and some reason it had the light on, it wouldn't eject. So, I took this pin, I stuck it in the manually eject thing, and it started making this noise. I don't know what this is. It's the top CD drive. See the light? I don't know what this is, and it's getting really loud, and I'm gonna shut it down. Crap. Gotta shut this stupid thing down. I don't know what this is, what's going on. This is my Dell 2400. Okay, let's try again. Let's try turning it on. Okay, so far so good. It's not doing nothing. Does it work? And look at that. It works just fine. Holy crap. Something's going on with that DVD drive. Looks like I'm gonna have to replace that soon. Oh my god, this is so weird. I'll update you guys if it does something like that again. So thank you for watching, and sorry about the bad video quality.